back of your hand. Ringtone, call, text message, send, receive, all that stuff. You know what all that is. All you got to do is just put a different word there. You're going to learn a new word every day when you look at your phone. If you don't know a word, just Google it real fast.
That's a smart idea.
Dude, that helped me so much. I put my entire phone in Spanish, and like instead of seeing notification, I would see notificación. Instead of, silent,
I would just like
silencio.
Say notification.
The blue button to send a text message, it would say enviar. Okay, I learned the word enviar from literally just looking at my phone, a different word every day.
That's awesome.
And then when I went to, I did a study abroad in Costa Rica for a month, but it was one where we like lived with the actual families. And the first family I was with for like 2 weeks, they didn't speak any English. So I just had to like figure it out. There we go. Blow through. Boom. I got filled at 18.
I still have my trim up at 35. I'm waiting for that.
What's up, guys?
Oil's crushing.
What up, KC?
You guys long? Because I'm long as fuck.
Yeah, there it is. Blow it.
Yeah.
Blow it. There it is. Filled at 30.
Oh!
All right, filled right there at
87.
34.
Run it to 80.
I've got my next trim up at 70, or my last one. So
Q's new high.
Run it to the 80s. Bang, bang, bang.
Double kill.
yes.
Double kill. I need to get another one. Triple kill. Running riot. Casey, I got sounds on my little thing last night.
Congrats
Let's
if
go.
you got in down there at 970.
Casey comes in, I just think,
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
21.
I'm gonna get the I'm gonna get the Migos. Migos are just mama.
Bruh. Yo, Q's is like significantly stronger than Spy. Like,
I can't believe I'm not in any options.
and IWM is just dead.
Overkill.
God, that 30-minute finally broke on Q's.
Finally, dude. I was just freaking, and I just kept saying, like, I know it's by the dip. You just got to be patient.
Dude, so all I did this morning was I drew I'm long SPX right now. I have $7,200 calls for Friday. Just a small position on them. But I drew a zone down there on SPX, and I put the Jesus sticker that's on TradingView that says buy the dip, and just been letting that sit all day.
Like
Good
shorts
work.
thought they were gonna run this thing over. They were trying so hard to break it down, and then me and Casey and Brady just
I came in like a wrecking ball.
The thing for me though is like even during like that chop and that downside move, watching the premiums on the puts for
Israel's-
SPY, they never came
Israel's-
in.
Channel 12 News says Trump wants a deal by Sunday. I guess that
On
goes
the
to
Lord's
35.
Day.
Oh yeah, get a deal on the Sabbath. AMD just broke 300. But boom, AM Dizzle. Look at Nvidia new high of day.
Calling me.
Lead the charge. Lead the charge. New high of day.
Leave me alone.
Who else is gonna? Oh, Amazon. Ripper.
Amazon new highs.
Meta third shot at yesterday's high.
AMD, Nvidia strong. Dude, AVGO, MU, ARM. Absolutely insane days.
I looked at the updated top 10 holdings of QQQ. Walmart now in the top 10. How about that?
Let's go.
ASML. And the reason, honestly, Walmart's number 10 is because you have two Googles in there. So technically ASML is not there, but I wanted 10 tickers, so I did 10 tickers. I had to update my watch list. Taco Sunday. Dude, I'm so down for some tacos, some carne asada.
Taco Sunday.
Maybe some micheladas.
Tacos any day.
I just had some white chicken enchiladas for lunch.
Oh, enchiladas.
A little bit of Spanish rice. Yes, sir.
Oh, the whole enchilada, bud.
It was the white chicken enchilada from Sam's Club.
Hey, let's go. Sam's Club, shout
Dude,
out.
so good.
Sam's Club is OG.
Sam's Club's the best.
The best.
Sam's Club's better than Costco, to be honest.
Big
I
facts.
think so too, man.
Big facts.
Just I don't, dude. You go to Costco, it's just not a fun experience. Sam's Club, you can get what you want. You can actually see. You go to
Look at this
Costco, like
wick.
I've
just
actually
stand in
never
line.
been to Costco. And they're all over the place out here in Southern California.
Dang, Roman, you torta hunting? You on torta patrol out here?
So I've never had a torta either, the actual food. So which one should I get? There's so many places.
Milanesa is my favorite.
Which one?
Milanesa.
What is that?
Milanesa. It's like kind of like breaded chicken or breaded steak,
Okay.
and make sure it has avocado on there.
Ooh. All right. I'll come back to you with a report. Look at
Yeah.
the video.
Or well, it depends what kind of torta you're going for. If you're like Jordan and you know she ain't 280, she ain't my lady, get you one of those tortas too.
She ain't 280. She ain't a lady.
Cute face, slim waist with a big behind. I'm looking for a
Oh.
diamond. That's one of a
Oh.
kind.
Oh yeah.
My favorite torta is Abigail. Oh. Dude, you go to Costco, it's not a fight. You're Costco, you fight for a parking spot for 25 minutes. You're gonna bump into people the entire time, and you're gonna stand in line to pay for 45 minutes. It's not a fun experience. Sam's, you get in, get what you need, you get out. They take good care of you. I mean,
You wrecked me.
wrecked me.
Oh,
Volatility.
what are we doing here?
We thought we chained up.
I did get that trim off at 34.50, and we came up to 36. So I'm happy about that for now.
We kissed, I fell under your spell. Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always long cues. I can't live a life fighting the trend day. I will always long you.
I still like the Queen song, Don't Stop Me Now.
I thought you were going to say Don't Stop Believing.
Don't
and then I
Stop
heard you say
Believing.
Queen in there.
No, don't stop me out. Because I'm having a good time. I'm long and you.
Attention Sam's Club shoppers. Bears, your party is waiting for you at customer service. Bears, customer service.
Yeah, I'm going to get one of those mics.
Dude, the Roadcaster, you got to get the Roadcaster. Roadcaster Pro 2, this thing is it's dangerous, dude. They should not have given me this. I just figured out last night how to download some like the sound clips. Jordan's going to show me how to record some. Next ones I'm doing for sure. I'm definitely getting Hank Hill on here. I'm definitely getting Ron White. It's going to be a good day, Tater.
Chop, chop. Chop, chop. Chop, 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 chop.
We having fun yet, crew? How's the wolf pack
no,
going?
dude. This is boring.
Well, I waited 2 hours to get this break, and I made more money, so...
What the heck?
Oh, damn it, Bobby.
Bobby.
Dad, can I put a gun rack on my bicycle? Terminator would be... I tried to find an auto tuner If they give me an auto tune around here, I'd be real
Like T-Pain.
real dangerous. Oh, dude, give
You
me
don't
a
have an
T-Pain
auto tune on
auto-tune?
there?
No, there's no auto tune. You have to get like some other software. I was looking into it last night.
Yes.
It has like a voice changer, but it doesn't have the auto tune. Dude, auto tune? Now we could get real dangerous in here.
You'll be up.
And we're coming back. Spy freaking 710 is just a pain in the balls.
You should see a doctor, sir.
My portal. Let's log into this.
Spotify's got a headline.
Oof.
Attorney
Dude.
General investigation.
Those are fun.
Don't you ever say.
Come on, let's just crack it up to 27,100. Let's go another 100 points for the fun of it.
Poor Spotify. What has Spotify done on the daily? I haven't even looked at this chart in a while. Nothing. Oh, it bounced out of the gap fill zone. Held above it. Curled. Okay. Still lower highs. Dude,
What a move.
Dell just keeps going. ARM is up.
New
Oh my God.
all-time highs, dude.
ARM's having a 10% day. This thing's flying.
I looked at it this morning and I thought about grabbing a few calls because I was looking at that MU and AVGO and I was like, well, ARM can really get moving. And just sky's the fucking limit. But yeah.
Bro, and then Cisco's the other one. Bad thing is I like Cisco and I like IBM, and Cisco's crushing it. IBM is not. Come on. Push. We want 80s here. We want 80s. Oh, we need to trim at 75 though. Let's put a trim there. And another little one at 80. And full profit at 98. We'll front run that 100. Or actually, do we just go
Blow
to
it off
118?
the top.
Oh, no way. Marvell? Oh, yeah. Nice.
Blow the fucking top off. Let's go.
Sell 28.
Let's go, Stephen Hawking.
Yes, let's go. Oh, wait, that's not for me.
Poppy.
I have a sneeze just sitting right here. I can just feel it.
Marvell, new high of day. Oh.
Hey, let's go. Big shout out to Dolls over 1K on the day. Done for the day. Let's go.
Oh, SPX. Come on, baby. 7130. Come on. Let's go, dolls.
Get that TI sign. Get your top blown out.
That's a great bit. I gotta trim
I'm gonna have to
here.
get.
Gosh,
Oh, I have to get
dang.
Young Dolph on this thing too. Uh-huh.
Getting too greedy. Am I getting too greedy?
Easy money. Buy the trend. BTFD. KC showed it to me on his little Tumblr the other day.
I'm sending out a tweet right now. It's got Jesus on it. It says buy the dip. Let's go. Come on now.
Well, okay. I was gonna say BT mother F&D. KC, you see my tweets just cooking?
Dude, you had that one you had, was it yesterday or the day before?
This one the one yesterday afternoon. We talked about it right here. Like we were talking about it here on it was right when you left to go get your haircut or whatever.
That freaking post was fucking hilarious.
Dude, it's
I need to get a fresh
241,000 impressions. It's just so relatable. Everybody's like, every news source just keeps saying something different. Tell him, Rooster. Tell him. Maybe don't quit. Just use code Wolf. Get back in the game. But
Not too shabby.
hey, KT, this is an OG Ryan move right here. Pull the battery out of the mouse. I used to do that. There was a point in my trading career where I could not stop while I was ahead. I'd pull the battery right out of this mouse right here, right out of this ergonomic mouse. Now I got this stupid ass.
You sure that's a mouse?
This is the Apple mouse.
Looks like something my girlfriend has.
Oh God, this does not vibrate, sir.
Your other mouse.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Dude, it fits in your
Cell
hand
45.
perfectly. Look at this. Perfectly. It's so comfortable. I like that mouse so much I burned out the scroll wheel on the first one I had, and I just went back to my Amazon history and ordered the exact same one again. What's up, Trucker Tom? How we doing today? You click it fast enough. Cameron, I was looking for this headline. I thought I saw it somewhere. Yeah, New York Times.
If IWM gets its head out of its ass and starts popping up a little bit, we can start seeing some Momo here.
Oh, Fitty. ES still hasn't taken the high. And still hasn't got to yesterday's high. Let's go ahead and finish it.
I've been waiting for that, and then I want to see it breaking base over that and run to like 712.4 on SPY. But I mean, we're just back in the chop zone right now on SPY. We got 2.5 hours left. Plenty of time for Trump to go on Truth Social. Come on.
I've been waiting on it,
Do
dude.
something crazy.
Do something crazy.
Do it for the Vine. Do it for the Vine.
Oh,
I remember Vine.
remember
Hell
Yik Yak.
What a time to be alive.
One of my buddies in college went viral on Vine because he said sliding to girls' DMs and it was him skimboarding across a whole pool, and then it went from one side to the other, and he walked right off of it up to the camera, and he was like, "What's up, bro?"
Oh, yes.
That's right.
Smooth.
So if you've ever seen that Vine from back in the day,
Big fan of that. Big fan of sliding into the girls' DMs, and a big fan of
Right.
skimboarding. Big fan of pool. You're checking all my boxes.
come on, IWM, get your head out of your ass.
Oh, what's up, K9 Handler?
Hey, what's up? Love the name.
Got that dog in him, bro.
Whoa.
Yep, Ryan, appreciate that. I saw a couple people posting this headline in here. Great name, by the way. I like this guy. It's probably my favorite Wolfpack guy here. Great name. You guys doing well? I'm having a great day, honestly. I had 2 little scalp trades within here. I missed the first breakout, but I caught this one. So we're 3 for 3 on trades here.
CoreWeave 170 call, urgent repeater coming in, 5:15 expiration.
CoreWeave.
Ow, shit.
Oh, she gone. Oh, she at 125? That's a big level. There we go.
Where are they buying these calls at? A lot of buys and sells. Most recent ones were buys at the ask and above the ask at 223 to 236.
What about this WMT?
WMT? I ain't never heard of that guy. What?
I don't know if you've seen this chart, but yeah, it's hottest stock in the market. It is the biggest, the best. That's what they're saying. They love the Walmart. Sam Walton, what a guy. True American patriot. Smart guy. He's a friend of mine.
Penny stock.
Keegan, I will kick you. I will put you in timeout.
That's awesome.
Bruh.
How does HIMS look? Well, the market's up like 1%. HIMS is down 5%. It's not always fun. HIMS just looks like it needs to consolidate. Hold up here above like 27.5 and let the EMA9 catch up. Yeah. Come on, yes, let's get going here. Yeah, weed stonks are going crazy. There's a report that they're expected to what's it called? Declassify, I think, today. It was actually somebody was reporting it was as early as today they may reclassify Mary J. Maria Wana.
Mota.
Sexy like my hyena.
Reefers.
What a great day. Wow. Rooster would bring up Diddy in our chat. What are we doing?
Trying to oil up these bears.
Whoa. Bruh. Bruh.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Whatever happened? Is he in jail? Like, I don't even know whatever even happened.
Great question.
We just forgot about that. Just like we forgot about that one little island.
Just like we forgot about Dre. Dude, how about this guy, Palm Beach Pete?
I didn't forget about Dre. Hey,
This guy's videos?
hey, it's awfully interesting, right?
Bro is just like partying in Miami, like, it's me, Palm Beach Pete. Like, he has to like reiterate the fact that he's Palm Beach Pete. I'm like, something's a little sus about this, bro. Like, why would you go that hard and say I'm Palm Beach Pete?
That's a good name.
I'm just Palm Beach Pete.
I'm Me, Lil Wayne. Great song.
Well, let's just rip it up to 60. Get this fill. Go to 100.
Me. So
Start
who's
off.
you?
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. And Q, please don't die.
Elon.
I can touch the sky.
Elon's tweeting that TPUs are underrated.
Think about it every night and day.
Oh, yeah, you got it.
Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. See me running through that open door.
Fuck that stock. Oh my goodness, we're in another 15-minute squeeze.
Is Elon sending Broadcom right now?
Send NQ.
30-minute looks freaking weird and juicy.
Send it. Send it.
Fucking send it. These core weaves are interesting. At 235, I wouldn't mind it for the gap fill intraday and the potential swing.
Tell me this 30-minute doesn't go higher on ES. Just look at it.
Dude, I think so.
Yeah.
Space Jam does have to be top 10 movie of all time.
Big facts.
Space Jam was great. I didn't even watch the second one because I was so scared that it would just ruin the first one. The one with LeBron or whatever. I didn't even watch it.
Oh hell no, dude. Hell no.
And I like LeBron. I'm not a LeBron hater. I like LeBron, but
Cry James.
when they remake movies that I like, LeBron James, I just
Come
can't
on,
do it.
you.
I did it a couple times. I watched part of Super Troopers 2, and that was terrible. I watched what was the other one I watched? Oh, Anchorman 2. I watched part of that one. It was terrible. Ruined it. I said nah. No. Why do people hate LeBron? I just don't understand how people hate him.
I think it's just because they say he's a crybaby.
He's a little bit.
Is that it? Is that
Yeah.
it? I mean,
Yeah,
the greatest athlete we've ever seen play basketball, all-time points scoring leader, incredible,
and the
run of
biggest bitch of them
championships.
all. Flopper.
He's just playing the game, dude. People want to complain about LeBron flopping, but people love SGA and give him MVP. Are we? Is this a joke?
I'm not a basketball fan. I just like talking shit on LeBron. Why not?
Everybody, it's just like
Apple New High Day.
It's just like sensitive. It's because so many people are so polarized. Because it's like Michael Jordan, that generation hates LeBron for some reason. The Kobe people hate LeBron. Well, LeBron's had no drama, no arrests, not beating women, no gambling problems, no baby mamas. Like,
Nah, dude just really loves a good ditty party.
all right. I mean, I don't know. Present your argument all you want.
I do agree. He is probably
LeBron would
one of
dominate
the
Jordan,
best.
by the way. Just absolutely dominate him.
I think so too.
Just physically superior. Like, you cannot argue that. Jordan was physically superior in 95.
But this ain't 95 no more.
Nah, dog. And I grew up watching Jordan. I like Jordan. I'm not hating on Jordan. I'm not sparking a debate or anything, but different times of the game. LeBron has more chase down blocks than like anyone in NBA history, but you say you can't play defense. Okay.
I also would love to see LeBron play football.
Dude, he did in high school. He was like a tight end or like a receiver. He was like a slot receiver, like tight end, H-back. That would have been sick.
Yeah.
He would have been incredible.
Still would.
That frame and athleticism. He's also incredibly intelligent.
With that receding hairline, you got all those brains up there, bro.
Yeah, that's my excuse too.
The receding hairline, right?
I love how riled up people get over certain subjects.
Yeah, LeBron's definitely one of those.
It is crazy. LeBron's out there on the court telling the other team, like, hey, you're supposed to stand over here on this play. Like, he knows the play better than their team does.
That's pretty funny.
But Michael is just an ultimate competitor too. You had to like talk shit to Michael to like get him going. Like that's how he got fired up and going. I love that because you talk shit to me. I will get fired up in a controlled manner, like motivated.
It's definitely a little key to the ignition for the competitive spirit. That's for sure.
Oh yeah, remix to ignition, hot and fresh.
Hot and fresh out the kitchen.
Mama rolling that body.
Brady is rolling that body.
Well, you talk about a great song that just got ruined by the guy. Who's y'all's NBA teams? Or now that we're in the playoffs?
Playoffs?
We gotta win the game first. One of the greatest quotes of all time. Who's your team, and who do you think's winning the NBA playoffs this year? Chat.
Knicks, Wolves, Bulls.
These nuts.
Wolves, Knicks, Bulls, Knicks. I feel like we're gonna have a lot of Knicks fans. Video 202. Probably gonna be some Celtics fans in here. I don't even know who my favorite team is this year for
Send it!
Can we freaking
Someone call the profit train.
go?
Did you guys see Wemby trip over his own goofy ass feet last night and knock himself out?
Yeah, they say he got a concussion from it.
It sounds
Did you
like
see
something I would do.
Oh, did you see? I'm gonna pull up this video, guys.
I mean, he smacked his head pretty hard on the floor.
Yeah, he tripped over his own. He tripped over his own.
Just
feet.
straight. Bah!
They call me Bubble Wrap Brady. Put me in
Shorty's
bubble wrap.
neck got loose and rubbery there for a second.
Let me find the video. All right, here we go. You guys gotta watch this. Look at him. Just tripped over his own goofy. Watch the full watch this view. Look, trips over his own feet and just catch yourself, dude. He didn't want to break those twig arms.
Probably broke.
And look at him right here. He's just like,
I'm out.
I'm gonna take a
Night-night.
little nap.
Sir, you can't park here.
big tree fall hard.
You can't park
I
your car
think
here,
he's got 2 to 3 seasons tops left in him before he just gets injured, and I hate that because it's incredible to watch him because of his size or whatever. Yeah, that was wild. Just what are you doing? Catch yourself, you goofy.
Goofy, yeah, boy.
Yeah, I don't even know who I want to win the NBA this year. I just want to watch some good series. Thunder are still fun to watch. SGA is SGA, but they're fun to watch. That's probably who I'm gonna pull for the most. Rockets are down 2-0, or I'd probably pull for them and KD a little bit. I like watching the Knicks. I just know the Knicks are going to choke like they always do. Hawks going all the way. I like, dude, McCollum, whatever. CJ McCollum on the Hawks. That dude is amazing.
Qs look like they just want
I'm
to.
getting bored.
Yeah, that's why I'm talking basketball. I'm just sitting in runners here. You built
Yeah.
into the position here, and
I've been averaging in a little bit, just kind of buying.
Same. And I'm just waiting for it to freaking go. I mean, Q's so much better. Spy and SPX are absolute shit right now. Stick on MRVL. Whoa, oh, my calls. How much are they? Are they moving? Ooh, where my calls at? Oh, they popping up a little bit. There you go, MRVL. Ooh.
True Social. This is about the. Oh, they're trying to get the bill reconciliation bill done. Don't care. Just please pay the stupid airport TSA people because that was ridiculous. Hawks will choke at ceiling. Yeah, Hawks and Knicks playing each other, just two choke artists, is actually pretty ironic in the first round.
All right, profit train. Let's blow through these 40s and 50s.
I believe I can soar.
Push NQ through that open door.
Come on, MRV.
OpenAI is introducing something and Salesforce is selling off.
Like, hey, build your own CRM.
Meta?
What's the meta with you?
Damn! Meta just went, ew.
Are they just taking turns right now?
I guess.
Amazon, Meta. Who's next? Google? Not Microsoft. Not Tesla. Boom, 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 dum, dum.
Don't stop me out.
Don't you ever say I just walked away.
I will always long you.
Let's go, United Parcel Service. UPS. UPS. UPS.
United Parcel Service?
Send it to the moon.
Workspace agents in chat GPT. Okay, whatever. They are stuffing ES right now again.
Dude, 710 on SPY is just
I'm
fucking
flat.
stupid.
Just sold my last one. Got stopped from 970 to 023. So we good.
Yeah, we were watching that yesterday. Frappuccino. We were watching the little thing yesterday, and they was talking about him selling, agreeing to sell his $100 million in asset.
yes.
Boom!
Oh, yes, sweet mother. What was that? Come on, continue it, you piece of shit. What's the headline?
I see 400 military personnel wounded in Iran conflict, but that's kind of negative.
546.
No True Social.
Candlestick's back flat. There's a little bit more volume coming in now. Oh, what are we about to do?
Hey, I wonder if that is a that volume is going to follow through with more up volume in a minute or the next hour. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't see a headline. I mean, I saw that Wall Street Journal one, but
Dude, this is crazy. Vance was taken hostage. That'd be a hell of a headline to get right now.
I'd like to see a shot to 27100.
Yeah, I'm looking for this pivot point at 75. 80 is the IB extension. And up in the hundreds is the next fib extension. Yeah, that was somebody putting on their longs ahead of the next headline. Is that what that was, Boris?
Yeah.
Might be a good take.
Fucking seems like.
It was Kushner.
Jared?
Mm-hmm. Just putting himself on the market.
I thought we only had 6 dudes. 400. 400 is
Grab some
injuries, by the
squirrels.
way, not deaths. Also, Rooster, aren't you Canadian? What is this we?
He said, "What's the we?
Who is this? Who is we?
People.
Who is
You guys aren't a
you
state yet.
people?
You people aren't a state yet.
Aren't a state yet.
I don't even think we want you guys anymore. We were like, we'd rather have Greenland than. Can you imagine how bad, like, Canada down bad right now? Trump was like, I'd rather have Greenland than Canada. Ugh. Shout out. You Canadians know. You Canadians know I'm just kidding. Canadians are a good time. Canadians can party, actually. Ones I've been around.
All right, NVIDIA popping a little bit. Microsoft popping up.
Pass me another brew, eh? Come on. Pop it, pop it, pop it.
Here comes a profit train.
I actually like these days where I get in along and I just sit in it. And just sit in it again and again and again.
And for futures, not for options. It sucks balls. That was bullish. Whoever just had that train go by better freaking add longs.
Come on, send it.
Pop it for Poppy.
So,
Empuja.
ooh, my MRVL just trimmed. Oh, must be new high a day. Yeehaw!
Dude, the Dow is just not doing anything. Poor guy. Do have VIX bouncing a little bit. Did I start a Canadian debate?
Love it when you call me Big Papa.
Put your hands in the air. Use a true play. You were a hardball? What a great movie.
That was an awesome movie.
With Keanu Reeves.
God, I almost forgot about that. I haven't heard that one in a minute.
What was the Cucumbas?
Yeah, something like that. What was
Cucumbas.
Cucumbas?
R.I.P. G baby.
G baby, R.I.P. Man, moment of silence for G baby. More hot takes out of Ryan. Are they hot takes though? pretty agreeable, I think.
I have to admit,
Rooster, you don't want the smoke. If you have to leave the U.S., do you move to Mexico or Canada? Tell you which one I chose. I can tell you which one most people would choose. Crude is still the sticking point here. I mean, it's trying to back off.
Oh my god, price action sucks.
Almost got to that 94. Gold looks like it wants to take a little ride.
Freaking 5-minute sell on IWM. Piece of shit.
I'm gonna go get me something to drink.
Let's go, Marvell. New all time high.
Bring it, Ezekiel. Hey, what's your name?
That's a funny.
Ezekiel.
What's your name?
You, Ezekiel.
Oh, he was like, guess what I did next to your mother last night?
You better not speak about my mother.
See that fire over there? I built that fire. Oh, and I fucked your mom next to it. Ah! Fuck you, fuck you.
You know what I did last night? You better not bring my mother into this.
Do you know what I did last night?
You better not.
I built that fire over there.
Oh.
And I fucked your mom next to it.
Ah, fuck you,
Ah, fuck
Ezekiel.
you, fuck you.
Oh, man.
They should make a part 2 or something to that.
Are we doing a poll? All right, we're doing a poll. All right.
10-minute looks like it wants to retest.
There you go. Let
30
the
minutes
people
about to
decide.
close. A freaking doji underneath the trend line. Ah,
Stop being a negative Nancy.
dude. Nobody wants this thing to rip over 71.30 more than I do.
Camille, where did you see that? Iran's president. Iran has welcomed dialogue and agreement, continues to do so. Breach of commitments, blockade, and threats are main obstacles to genuine negotiations. I mean, God, is Carr still crushing? Today was the day after everybody thought it was the day for the last like 6 days. Holy shit.
That's nutty.
Carr with the 36% intraday move.
Is it a short finally?
Absolutely nutty.
It's
Dude, you
enough.
know what's crazy? I was looking at it earlier. I was looking at the options. Stock was at, I think, like 645.
Crazy.
And I was like, okay, it might drop down to 600. It's at 538. But those contracts I were looking at, they were, oh, geez, how much were they? They were,
1100.
no, I wish. Fuck. I think they were like $9,000.
Damn.
Dude, everything was like, there was like 400% on the IV on those things. It's stupid. Trucker Tom, have a great rest of your day, brother. Appreciate you hanging out with us today.
They were the 500s for May
Hey.
15.
Code Wolf, 40% off at Tradeify. Good reminder. Appreciate you. Code Wolf, Tradeify, Lucid, My Funded Futures as well. I need to get an updated graphic still. I was been working on other stuff. Best discount possible. Lucid, Tradeify, My Funded Futures. Use code Wolf. If you use Apex, use code WolfX. If you're looking for an options prop firm, Vanquish. If you're trying to day trade car puts, maybe just go open up an account at Vanquish. Code Wolf. Trade some options over there. Maybe sell some call spreads here on SPX.
Hold on. Is this a glitch or can I make $90 per contract gain?
How's the poll going? Oh, Mexico winning. Of course we are.
Okay, so the car 500 puts from May 15. Your ask is actually lower than the bid. So if I buy the ask right now and sell the bid, I would make $90 per contract. Why are they reversed like that?
Because it should go down, not up.
Anyone want to test this with me?
The skew.
You can buy it for 11,000. Wait, hold on. Nope, there you go. Nope, they adjusted. Never mind.
Viva Mexico, cabrones.
Look at the spread on some of the other ones, though. That's stupid. Who's trading car options?
Degen gamblers. And whoever's
Dude.
getting margin called badly.
The bid-ask spread on some of these is like $2,500. Oh, hey, you did buy a put. How much was that one? You bought, it was what, 8,800? It's now at 20 grand. Let's go.
Dude, my tweet just hit 250K impressions. That's crazy.
MRVL. MRVL.
There you go. Banana scalped it twice.
Change your name. Can you be orange? Or watermelon? Those are superior fruits.
Oh, nice. Where are you? What part of Mexico are you in? Come through. Let's grab some lunch. You know, because the country's not big or anything, right? No, the chances of you being near me are slim to none. I've actually met a few traders that have places not too far from me that come down here and visit. San Miguel, Guanajuato. Even Wapbinder got married about 2.5 hours away from here. He just happened to get married the weekend my son's birthday was, so couldn't do anything. Where has Wapbinder been? What a loser.
Let me see. What?
You know, it's funny, Rooster. Every flight that I'm ever on down here, there's always at least 3 Canadians sitting in business class next to me. Every time. They all tried to get the hell out of Canada and move down here to the better weather, better food, and affordable living.
Corweeb New High Date.
And no French talking.
I actually do want to go to Cuba. I think I'm going to get my my Mexican passport just so I can go to Cuba without any issues. Where you at? Well, I'm in Querétaro. Right in the dead center.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Ooh, but now they're selling some up here too. I don't like that.
I'm right here. Right there, right where that big arrow is, right in the dead center.
Come on, flag break right here. Fire this 15-minute.
Send it. Come on,
Where's the
NQ.
daily gap fill? Take core weave. 125.88. Daily gap fill.
Come on, NQ. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch 50 points higher. Take spite a new high of day. Into the high of previous day. To POC right here on SPY for the last 3 days, basically. Yeah, right here, 710.14. It's just magnet. Canada only has 41 million people. All that land, nobody wants to be there. That's crazy. Like the Mexico City metro area has 20 million. It's like half of Canada. It's crazy.
Metro Boomin, what's some more?
Dude, there was one of those when I was looking through the different sound things last night. There was one that just said Metro. And if young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. Oh, I forgot I downloaded a sniper rifle one too. I didn't put that one on here. It just you hear the shot and then the re-rack.
Headshot.
Oh, you remember the old Vine of that white kid who's like, what the heck does he say? He says like something about foo-foo gang shit and then goes, gratata.
Oh yeah. Gratata.
Gonna get
I
that
forgot
one
about that one.
somewhere.
Do you remember the kid that was dancing? Not the Ooh Kill Him, but the other one. Little Terrio was Ooh Kill Him, but there's another one where he's like standing on the track. No, there's another one where he's like standing around the track and he's like, yeah.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
Put a gun in his hand and stuff.
Yeah.
On the,
530.
It's the kid I think he's got glasses and he's got a blue shirt on.
He's
and
got
he's
like a polo shirt on.
He's on the track at the school.
Yeah. That's what
Yeah.
That's what I'm picturing. And then
He just
like
leans forward. He just leans forward with. He's like, "Cha."
yeah. And they like somebody edited it and put like an actual gun in his hand, like he pulled out the.
I mean, Marvell's got no ceiling. Just how high can she run? What's she gonna do? Act the fool.
Canadian population is exploding with all the imports. Mafia and I bet Toronto does have a good little mafia. Two more hours? Is that? Oh my god! 2 more hours. I need something to drink.
Crack open a cold one.
I don't have any beers. Wow, Broadcom hit 420. I didn't even notice. Amazon's pushing again. Google's starting to push. We might have another leg in this one. If SPX and SPY could just get their shit together. Ride with the mob. Do la la. Check in with me. What are we doing here? We're gonna come back test. I don't know. Maybe we just come down a little bit to the.
21. 21.
Holy UAL.
All right, if you guys want a headline, I'm gonna go make me something to drink here.
IWM looking ruggy. Hold the line.
Hold the door. Hold the door.
Dude, every 5-minute candle MRVL just goes higher. I'm just going to keep saying new all-time high, new all-time high, new all-time high. Bounce off this daily level and rip already.
All right.
You missed the headline.
Yes, just didn't break out. I don't think we got it. I don't think it worked.
Rats.
I tried, guys. Doesn't work every time.
60% of the time, it works every time.
Every time. It's got real bits of Panther, so you know it's good.
Oh, I gotta send this Roomba back to its station. Well, it's not coming in the room.
Oh, well, Missy Elliott there, Banana? Trading Noob, did you ever answer me where you're at in Mexico? Maybe I missed it. Check in with me. Ooh, vast added gold. All right. I mean, here's the thing: you long tech because nobody cares about that with oil, and long oil. Everything else just chops in the middle. Oh, you're you're in Mexico City. Okay, about a 2.5 hour drive from me. I don't go down there that often unless I have like a business reason to. Go down to old Polanco. Nice area. Either there or Reforma. Chapultepec. That's where I went to the zoo the other day, Casey, when I sent you those things just right off of downtown.
Dude, that
Zoo was sweet and it was free.
that photo was hilarious because it was live. When he
My
was up
son?
at the glass, yeah,
Yeah. The monkey was
just jumped at him. He was like, ah!
I have not been to Cuernavaca. I know it's nice. I've seen it. I know some people that have been down there, live down there. I've heard Puebla is actually pretty nice too. Cuernavaca is like where all the Mexico City people like moved out of Mexico City to go to, and all the rest of them came up here now. We're like the new Cuernavaca. Look what we're hitting.
21. 21.
Amazon just caught some volume. It just ripped up but got slammed back down. New high and then smack.
Apple rolling over a little bit.
Video rolling.
Meta did not care.
Roll it. Still sitting at. Oh! Busting it down, Tatiana. Clearing the mines in the Strait of Hormuz could take 6 months. I don't know when that headline came out, but unusual oils just
like
posted.
2 hours ago.
Yeah, figured.
Classic. Dude, I think Unusual Wells literally waits for a candle and then just reposts news from earlier.
You think?
I swear to God. They literally wait for a candle to hit and then they just post like recycle news. Oh, yep. Dude, Puebla is nice. Toluca's not bad either. The little volcano. And by little, I mean big volcano. Oh, nothing for me to do right here, but watch.
IWM, you piece of shit. What are you doing? Hold 275.50, straighten it inverse head and shoulders, and just curl and wick it straight back up.
I feel like IWM could be a trade back to VWAP.
Your Vol D is coming down to the 0 line. Vol DQ is still very strong. Your calls are still way above your puts for SPY, and there is no significant increase in put options. Calls, even though they're obviously a lot higher than your puts, those aren't increasing either. So we're just flat.
Your ADD is basically at the 0 line too. Advanced decliners. But the thing that kept sticking out to me this morning was how much tech they were buying on Vol DQ. Just all day long. Keep on buying. It's basically your back test of this morning's high right there.
Oh no, this is looking boring.
Yes, back to orb high. Is yet to break either, hadn't broken either side of the IB, which is rare. I did notice that a little Woj earlier. I was watching how weak banks have been all day, just what's been holding down IWM and SPY. Real estate also cooled off a little bit today, but tech, SMH, IGV still strong. Oil bouncing a little bit here.
Yeah, BAC was one of. Excuse me. BAC was one of the short on the watch list, and that one's looking good. Missy Elliott said it was a short this morning.
Laying down, putting in the purse.
Morgan Stanley still chilling up near the high. JPM's coming down a tad. WFC has a trend line right below, but so it's mainly BAC that I like out of all of them for the short. Weekly trend line above that it's rejecting so far. Weekly shooting star. Daily looking ugly.
I don't like the 30-minute too much here, but it's still fine for now. Hourly's just messy. Here's your back test.
Oh, they're about to take out my SPXs. I'm risking $300. Piece of shit.
Well, I got trims at 50, 40 points and 50 points, basically. Now they're going to come stop out the rest. Or do I just buy more right here? Probably so. Right there? Why not?
It would have to hold here on SPY and Qs. Otherwise,
SPY looks bad.
yeah.
Watch it like bounce like 20 points right here though. 30 points on NQ.
Trump sees the market going down. He's like, hold on, let me get on Truth real quick.
Yeah, hold on. I got a post typed up just for this moment.
What's the volume today? Oh my god. What? 22 million?
Yep, that makes sense at all-time highs.
Disgusting.
All that tells me is there's no sellers.
Disgusting.
Doom, 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 doom. Watch tomorrow tech be like weak and IWM and SPY just be ripping.
Dude, I wouldn't doubt it.
Just spread the love. Spread the love. Let's see if we get a bounce here. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
MRVL, another new all-time high.
You guys ready for the bounce here? Marvell, what a beast.
Yo.
Could you zoom out on this thing? It just looks straight vertical. That's insane. MU having a day. ARM up 11%. Holy.
I know, because that's the other one that I wish I would have taken earlier with it. Was ARM. Ooh, MRVL getting a stick. Another one.
Another one. Are they going to roll this thing over?
Probably. It's looking like they want to roll.
They're at least going to like back test the MAs, aren't they? Come on. Quick question. What's your look on how high the market's been going up recently and people not caring about anything happening? I mean, markets climb a wall of worry always. Like, that's just what markets do. Markets are designed to go higher. They just are. I mean, yes, you can have bear markets. Yes, you can have corrections, pullbacks, everything. But you had multi-month distribution. Then you had a dip on a conflict. And I mean, yeah, if things continue for a long time with oil prices super elevated, could it put a lot of pressure, especially on the global economy? Of course it could, but that takes time. And until that really happens, and all indications, if you take away the politics side of things, just all indications are looking at some kind of off-ramp of this situation. That's why the market's roaring back on top of that. So you created a rubber band effect to the downside, and you don't have like a lasting problem. It's kind of like the tariffs. I mean, the tariffs were, a man-made type of issue that was then worked out. My daughter is awake. My main take is people want to be long the market. There's still an AI revolution going on. There's still crazy amounts of spend with these AI companies. There's more production because AI is going to make almost every business, every company, every worker more productive than they were before. So you put that together with some other things, and then they're staying. There's like, okay, we'll stay long oil as a hedge. Baba is the headline.
Bah. Oh shit! I forgot. Someone sent me a check in the mail. I forgot. I got a deposit.
Oh yeah.
I know. Don't you love when like your insurance companies like randomly just credit you back money at a random point in time?
That'll never happen to me, sir.
No, I've had it twice before on car insurance, and then this is for another one. Where'd my fucking pen go? How do I not have a pen over here? Oh shit, my tags on my Honda are about to expire next week. I'm gonna pay my property tax. What a scam. What a scam.
Boo. Let's see if we hold here and pop back up to like the 20s.
Dude, how do I not have a pen?
Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it,
Are we popping?
pop it, pop it. Look at Spy. Look at ES off of VWAP.
There you go. MRVL. New all-time high.
I'm gonna laugh every time, dude. What's up, Dreamy Chill Vibes? I like that name. It's cool.
That is a dope-ass name, I'm not gonna lie. Look, they almost took out my 2 freaking SPX calls, and then they were like, nah.
Nah, dog.
Dude. What the fuck? Oh, man, it's in my notebook. It's actually not my Casey Trades pen. I don't even know what pen this is. What's my Harry Potter pen? Let's fucking go. Does this thing even have any fucking ink in it? Yeah. Alright. Let's do this thing. Endorse, yeah.
You gonna do a little mobile deposit over there, boy?
Yeah.
I don't know why IBM got cooked before earnings today, to be honest. IBM has not been doing very well. Nvidia not really bouncing a whole lot during this little spot here. Google still looks pretty good, actually. Amazon's new high of day. Just taking turns, huh? Broadcom new high of day. What a ripper. AMD's about to make a new high of day.
God, Marvell just made another new all-time high. It's fucking insane. I do have a trim set at 445. For those May contracts, they'll be up over $100 per contract gain by that point. So I'm thinking if it pushes over 159,
20-point gain.
Trigger.
There's a
We're
trend.
popping.
Double kill.
Come on now.
Who's worried about oil?
Iran.
What about people who say you're only interested in the Middle East for oil?
What? Huh? Oil? Who said something about oil, bitch? You cooking?
You cooking?
Come on, y'all get out of here.
You cooking? Make a deposit. Put it in that one. That's fine.
I mean, this is as clear as a backtest gets. I don't know if you guys are looking at the charts, but I don't know, Casey. I think you teach SR flips pretty well. What do you call this?
That, my friends, is called previous resistance breaking through, back testing again as support.
Reject,
That is
reject, reject. Breakthrough. Backtest.
It's clear SR flip right there.
Now, if it breaks and does this, then you short.
Yeah. But on the retest, you don't chase the short as much as a lot of people probably were thinking, let's just fall and break straight through that. The risk to reward is actually the inverse of that. You always have to think the opposite first. There's some times where I trade breakouts. It's not too often, but
Like this morning would have been a good breakout to trade. It was a triple top over.
see, and I missed it.
Yeah, I missed it completely. Like, I just couldn't find a way to get in because it just started ripping and it just went. And I was like, oh.
Yep.
I didn't want to long into the resistance.
Same thing.
I should have bought the 15-minute tweezer. There's a beautiful tweezer here on the 15-minute off the open right here, right into the 820s and 800 area that I've talked about here on stream. And then the next candle just went, and when it went, it broke through on that candle. Never even thought about pulling back and just see ya. Why does the market go crazy at exactly 350? I feel like we've answered this question like twice a week.
MOC, daddy.
MOC, market on close. They're called imbalances. Large orders in the market, like institutional orders, if they want to buy, I don't know, hundreds of thousands of shares of NVIDIA or Broadcom or Marvell or sell. They want to sell a bunch. They can't just do it on the open market in the middle of the day without just, smashing through the order book. So what they do is they put the orders in early and they find ways to pair it off. So you get large orders executing all at once and being paired off with somebody to buy or sell it to. So that creates, because there's high volume in certain names across the market, it creates a really jumpy, wicky market for a little bit.
Now watch to see if we get a rejection right here. Now you're back testing the EMAs. If we can close back above it, fantastic. If they reject and come right back down, it's no bueno.
Yep. Kind of expect a 15-minute candle to just chop here, and then the next one try to push back up to 030. What's up, options grower? What have you been trading today? Still got an hour 20. And ES is not broken either side.
I mean,
Either side.
here, can you pull up SPX on a 5-minute? Oh, you already have a line right there too. Perfect. So you see where we just bounced at right there?
Good point.
You see the big reaction that happened earlier? So if we start curling up from here, would that be an inverse head and shoulders? You have that little rounded this morning. That other kind of little crazy fucker that happened, that's weird. But you got the middle dip of the day for your head.
That one?
Yeah.
Just, and then you're, I mean, ish.
It's the only thing I can see, maybe. And then that trend line right up there too is what I have marked. That's what we're rejecting.
Yeah.
That's the main thing that I'm watching for the break.
I mean,
that trend line.
The thing that's clear to me is like if you go to SPY here, and if you look at the point of control is this right here, and you look all the consolidation here and all of this here, but And this entire 3 days of action, your point of control is right here where we're just chopping. Every time we come up here to 7, 10, 10, just gets stuck. Push it, push it, push it.
Push it real good. Ooh, some buy alerts coming in across the board on 5 and 10 minutes.
You sure?
What printed a buy signal on that retest? Googly doogly did.
Good googly moogly.
Looks like a little 5-minute flag too off the EMAs. Or not NVIDIA, AMD did as well, but it's just continuing trend. NVIDIA did as well. Potential 5-minute Morningstar reversal off pre-market high area. That resistance 201.50 from this morning.
There you go, a little electrical outlet set up here.
Yeah. Apple looks like it wants to roll a little bit.
God. You.
Soldier Boy ticker?
Yeah, look at this thing this afternoon. Fuck.
Holy Soldier Boy.
What is that?
Gosh. Dang, that's a good ripper.
Good Lord.
God.
Yeah, all the rarest are going. CRML, even UASMY, or UAMY. Rooster, you already know what the move is, brother. What is this? What is this, just simple concept? Reject the level for 2 hours, break through and back test it. I don't know. I'm brand new. This is my first day, so I
It's
just
on
read it
the
in a
third
book.
day out here. I don't know.
Read it in a book one time.
Who's calling me at a time like this? Do you not understand what's happening in the market?
And I bet Jordan somewhere is probably like, well, you had an inverse gap right here on the 15-minute you tapped into. Oh, you did. Go figure. Hey, rookie. And it was right at 27K, and it was right on my fib. We got an hour and 15 minutes to just rip. And yes, should break one side of the other of the first hour. And then. Dude, what's my tattoo say? Flush it. Are you, Ryan, are you short? Don't be putting that negativity on my name. What are you flushing? Oil?
Oil.
Oil. Just said something about oil.
Put a line on my chart on QQQ at 6:55 with a magnet at 11 a.m. I'm still waiting. Oh yeah, INTC does have earnings. Doesn't Tesla have earnings too?
Tesla, ServiceNow, IBM,
Tesla's after the bell.
Lam Research, and Texas Instruments are all today. Tomorrow's Intel. Lockheed Martin in the morning.
INTC looking on the daily. Ooh, sell signal.
Honeywell.
Well, sell signal came in on Monday. It's actually back at the same price.
They should be
Sell signal came out.
it should be a sell signal though going into earnings after a hot run. Just take your profits. We'll de-risk.
There's your 710 back test on SPY. If you're looking short,
If you're shorting anything, short SPY or IWM.
yeah, I wouldn't short Qs.
I wouldn't short anything because we're trending up with the strongest stocks in the market, the most important sector of the market.
I
That's
don't
just
think
me.
it's a short, but
Took a little earnings lotto on Texas Instruments.
ooh, look at the SPY calls within the last 10 minutes. Look at the premiums increase. Ever since that little dip buy. Ooh, calls moving up. Put still flat.
The longer you sit and don't break down, the higher your odds are of going higher. It's the way the market's designed.
Let me put this in the chat. Look.
Do we have data tomorrow? Initial job lists, not really. PMI. Oh. If I get a trim here. Come on.
Come on,
Push,
baby.
push, push.
Fucking go. Iran rejects Trump's claims of halting women executions.
Hell yeah. We gonna kill him after all?
This is redonkulous.
I don't even think they know who's in charge over there, to be honest. I think that's the whole problem.
It's probably some kind of goat. Sheep.
Yeah, some guy got his jeans tucked into his boots, just ready for that goat. Somebody knows that reference. Hey, Jordan. Oh, never mind.
Hey there.
We just solved it. Hold on, I got it right here.
What we got?
Tanis. Just got a trim 35-point gain off of that back test long.
Yes, sir.
However you pronounce this guy's name, he's in charge of Iran. So, are we getting a deal or what are we doing here? Can you give us some inside information? Thoughts on service now? I have no idea going into earnings. I don't like the. I mean, bounced off of a level. It's reclaiming 100. You're going into a binary event. You're still under the 50-day. It's kind of a tough call. I know a lot of people in the software, or a lot of software investors are saying, hey, this is actually pretty good value here. But you're also, I mean, this chart looks like death while we're at all-time highs. I don't know, kind of a tough thing. It was overdone down here, but I don't know. I don't have any like super positive, constructive thoughts on this name. Oh, OPTX. Oh, that's a good looking chart. Strong uptrend that kind of blew off the top, came back in, started trending up again, reestablished trend, had one dip into the 50-day, Bought up immediately, and it's just riding daily EMAs over and over and over. Big pop the other day, getting bought up again. I don't know anything about this company, what they do, but this chart's very constructive. Basically back to like IPO type of price. Probably a SPAC merger if I had to guess based on that chart. They're saying no women were facing execution in the first place. Okay.
Let's go.
What about people
Car
who
crash,
say you're
baby,
only
car
interested in the
crash.
Middle East for oil?
What? Huh? Oil? Who said something about oil, bitch? You cooking? Oh.
Yes.
What's up, Will?
What's up? That is so good. I needed that.
I had to put that on there as soon as you came in today.
Oh, car crash, boys.
Actually, yeah, you ready for this?
Insane.
I said it yesterday. I said everybody better have car insurance.
Yeah, this one's for you, Will. This one's for you today on car.
I said it yesterday. I am short 25 shares, just a little small piece from 740. So,
Damn.
Nice little chunk of change.
a little lunch money, I guess. I had to be in it. I was like, I just gotta watch it, you know.
Almost to the daily 9 here. Well,
Big
40%
sweep
move.
on Amazon just came in it's a leap for January 15, 2027 of 380 calls. Someone bought 7,500 of them at 444 for $3.33 million.
That is wild. Car crash. God, what a move. What it hit today? 850?
847.
Now it's down,
intraday.
what, $300 something dollars?
It's down 41%. 41% in like 4 hours.
Have we not seen this movie before? Everybody? I mean,
the funny thing
stairs
is,
up, elevator down.
somebody tried it like almost every day on this whole run up, and somebody kept buying calls for it to work, and they did it again today and just got wreck city'd, which is my favorite. Wreck city, bitch.
Yeah. That's what happens. You don't want to drive without your seatbelt.
Goodness, QQQ, can you just freaking go hit my magnet on the chart already?
This has been like watching paint dry.
Yeah.
At least Q, if you've been trading Qs, fantastic. If you're looking at SPY and SPX with me, it's 10 times worse for trading today.
Well, can I ask you a question as a professional in this industry? I'm brand new to this, so I don't have any.
Oh yeah, sure, yeah.
So I'm just when something is like resistance, and then it breaks through and comes back.
That would be called a back test.
What is this called when it back test? Is that back?
That's what it would be. In the book, if you look it up, it says it would be a back test.
Oh, back test. What is it? What is it? Is it what happens when the support when support is what previous? What's the word? Previous
support
resistance.
Previous resistance becomes support.
That's right. That's right.
And that would be what we call a textbook. You get one candle, and then once you hold the level, you buy the next green candle. That's what I would do. Wait for confirmation and buy.
They could put you just hide everything. You could just put this right into the textbook, couldn't you?
Yeah, very much so.
Right next
to it's funny. I have a guy that I used to talk to quite a bit that worked back at the Board of Trade. There was a trader for, God, I think it was Peak 6 or something. Anyways, he would look at charts with nothing on them, just price action only, nothing else.
Smart.
That's and when I teach my mastermind class, we don't start with there's nothing on the chart. You look at price action and you start learning how to look at a chart and read price action. No indicators, no algos, no buy sells, VWAP, MACD, RSI. Fuck all that stuff. You don't need all of those things if you cannot read a naked chart and look at the price action, develop a thesis on where you would take the trade. That's like it's the number one thing you should do. And what Em just drew there on the screen, that's where I start with. You look at your candlesticks and price action, support, resistance, supply, demand. See where your buyers or sellers are at, watch the price action, take a trade. That's it. Indicators and everything else comes later on after you understand all that.
Absolutely. Because the reason for indicators in general, and I like to try to keep mine simple as can be, but is just for confluence. Like you're going to have the price is truth. And then the second is you want to look for horizontal support and resistance levels. I think that's the biggest area. And outside of that, you just use moving averages to define what direction the trend is. And then if you want one type of oscillator, whether it's MACD or RSI or stochastics or whatever, just to give you overbought and oversold and look for divergences, that's really all you need, in my opinion. I don't think you need much more.
21.
5 minute, 21 on Q, SPY rejecting 610.
Just to add on to that point, indicators, you have to understand what the indicators mean to even be able to use them. And they definitely lag. They're confluence. They're visual. Which, speaking of visual, what is this visual called right here?
45-degree angle.
Uptrend?
It's a trend. Yeah.
I don't know. It just seems like that's the direction you'd want to. I don't know. Maybe if we just go down to this right here. What is this? Would you call this an uptrend?
So it looks like to me.
Oh, okay. Well. All right. I just want to check with a real astute professional like Sir William.
Yeah.
I did stop out in profit on that trade. Got it. Trim, stop out in profit, and we're up 3K today.
Let's go. It's a good day, Taylor.
Yeah, I'm pretty much hands off. Really nothing for me to do.
Dude, the way it's been is market opens up. We usually see a decent sized move in the first hour or so. And then after that, you just get whipped around and stall and do nothing. It's been like that every single session this week.
And obviously, like we talked about this a little bit yesterday in the morning. This is what you should kind of expect after a 15% move off the bottom. You need some type of little consolidation, let vol come in, let the expansion arrange. Now you're balancing. This is just a balance move. What do we say? Balance leads to excess, excess leads to balance, and you've got a 4-day balance going on.
I talked about that this morning too. We broke out of basically, on Qs, you had basically a 3-day balance here that broke out to the upside. So you're getting follow through into price discovery. Here's SPX, for example. You're just in the box.
Yep.
And you're really in this box, and you go to SPY and look at your volume profile. You're just chopping at point of control right here. It's funny, I knew where it was before it even populated on my chart because I've looked at it 10 times today.
Yep. Yeah, we got some earnings tonight, right? I think we got ServiceNow, I think, is one of them.
Tesla, ServiceNow, IBM, Lam Research, Lam Research is the one that gets forgotten a lot in the semi space, AI space, and then Texas Instrument also.
Yeah.
Graphing calculators. TI-89.
TI-89
Very important
plus, baby. I think the first one I had was a TI 83.
TI
I had a
83
80
plus.
I had a 80, I had a 84, and then I had a 89, I think.
Will, did you ever download Mirage OS and play Pimp Quest on your TI 83?
I didn't do that. I remember playing some I don't know, some games on there, but
All
I had
down?
2 games on mine.
I think I finally got banned when I think it was a TI 84 plus or 84, whatever it was, and then you could put like notes in there. I would write notes.
Yeah, we were playing games like Pimp Quest and Fall Down and all sorts of weird shit.
Oh!
Whoa, what happened?
Fat candles.
Big old fat candles.
Fat candle.
Who's getting liquidated?
I don't see any.
Just hit the same spot again.
You buy this right off that 21?
Probably.
Okay, let's have a poll. Can we do a poll for the chat? Will car end up below 400 today is the question.
Today? That would be insane.
It's almost at the daily 9 here, 478. I mean, it was only $400 above that.
ASML.
ASML. ASML.
Taiwan Semi's saying the equipment is too heavy to use or too expensive.
Well, lighten the load.
Too heavy. What is too heavy?
Holy shit, ASML.
Damn. That's crazy.
ASML down 5%. And I just updated my top 10 of NASDAQ today. ASML is in the top 10 stocks of the NASDAQ. So a 5% drop in that will drop the index a little bit.
I did a broken wing butterfly 71.45 is my short strikes. That worked out pretty good. I was hoping we'd float a little higher, but I'll take it.
All right, I tried a long right there at 93.
Ooh, you hit the long?
Yes, I did.
I love it.
Did they hit the whole semi space?
Just one contract.
There's also a synopsis headline in the middle of that too.
And guess who does not want to get run over and already got stopped out?
I just covered my car short at 487. Goodbye. It hit the daily 9. I'll
Good
take
shit,
that. And run.
Will.
Dude, 25 shares. I had to be in. I was like, dude, I'm just gonna throw it out there. Like whatever I got it yesterday. 7:30.
Tesla is about to be near low of day now.
May retry.
Is that pre-market low? AMD is still holding up decent. So is Google. Google's not really doing much.
All right, I'm retrying right there at 98. Long one contract.
Broadcom took a little hit on that too. Broadcom, AMD, little drop.
We're right here on the 21 on NQ's 10-minute time frame. So that's what I'm trying.
I'm probably done for the day, to be honest.
Google looks good.
You think if ServiceNow has a good report, you think that moves the whole software space, like IGV and all the names around it? Just maybe be the first one.
Maybe. I think people are gonna more look at LRCX and TXN for the AI spot. IBM could be interesting too for the AI trade, but I mean the software. I mean, just to your point, I mean, software sector. ServiceNow could be a little look into that. I don't know if it's a great example though, because it's not getting the same bounce the rest of IGV is getting.
Sure.
The headline on ASML came from Bloomberg. It says Taiwan Semi is saying that the equipment from ASML is too expensive to use.
Correction to the too heavy. It was not too heavy. They couldn't pick it up and put it in the server rack. They're like, no, we can't get in there. It's
all right,
equipment
is too pricey and will hold off on ordering new chip making equipment until 2029.
Holy shit,
calling that to ASML.
No need to try to catch a falling knife here.
Where are
ASML
those car puts at now?
crashed.
The 500s now that they're in the money. Oh my god.
What were the 1 days? Were they probably 80?
No. I was looking at May 15 500s.
They're gonna be like
They were $9,000 earlier,
oh my god, $90. That's crazy.
and now they're at 12,700.
Wow.
Just a
They don't even go
slow
up that,
bleed.
but it's like they don't even go up that much. The stock's down $300-$400, but they've gone up $30 in premium. It's not even that much. It's
All
kind
right,
of
third
crazy.
time's a charm. I'm trying one more long at 95.
You know what's interesting is, I mean, I did see all the sectors were mostly green this morning, but the banks have turned around.
Banks are getting
regional
crushed.
banks got slapped too. KRE almost looks like it could lose the 9 today.
XLF is what held SPY back all day.
Yeah, for sure. Rejected off the 200 again. Third time. Fourth time, really.
The Dow was also really weak today. Gold just got a pop.
What's weak in the banks? Goldman? JP?
Bank of America's a little...
Yeah, Bank of America's a little weak. Wells Fargo. Oh, Capital One reported, did they not?
Yeah, they had a double miss.
Yeah.
COF.
Yeah,
they had a double miss. The dip got bought, but they had a double miss. They're still down 1.5, but they rugged hard and got bought back up. But
still
double miss, not
low
great on the
today,
headline
though.
numbers.
Yeah. Capital One. Any other
Come on, pop it for Brady.
Seriously.
Give him a little something.
Pop it for Poppy.
Just go back test the EMAs at least for him off this spot.
You think XLV looks like a bear flag on the daily, like it's breaking? That's what it kind of looks like to me. Even with UNH being up after earnings, it's still very weak.
Yeah, I noticed that earlier because a lot of people were talking about UNH, but I looked at a lot of the other names and I was like, nothing else in that area really looks that good other than UNH. I was like, okay, if UNH starts to, I mean, look at the 4-hour chart right now on that one. It just broke down, back tested, rejected, coming straight back down. If it starts to lose that 146 area, then
yeah, I mean it's back below the 200, which is at 146. I think that's the other thing too.
What happened, Shredded?
All right, my
happened?
stops are right at 27K.
You lost 65K on a 50, 60 point drop on NQ? What did you...
Holy, what the shit? Ooh, there's your pop.
Oh, yeah.
We don't answer you. Where was the question?
65K. What were you trading?
Well, yeah, what's going on there?
What size account is this too? Like what?
I'm getting destroyed. Yeah, but okay. I hope you if you just lost 65 grand, I don't know what time period. I hope you got
DTEs.
like a 8-figure account to be losing that kind of money.
Yeah, or
there you go, Brady. Oh,
0 DTs.
Why do you have 65K and 0 DTs? Like
On a day where
out
of day where the internals are mixed and we're
regardless of the day. Regardless of the day.
That's true.
What are we?
All right, I'm gonna take exit right there at 30 if we can get to it.
I don't know if you
unless you have a multi-7-figure account. Unless you have a multi-7-figure account and you're a sim kind of person, like.
Oh, you're gonna hurt my brain. I'm not trying to be rude here, but IWM was the weakest one of the entire day.
And regional banks were getting slapped all afternoon.
It's not the one you want to be long when there's divergence. IWM was by far weak. It was in a downtrend the entire day. 0 DTEs, you should never have that type of size in 0 DTEs, and you should never sit in 0 DTEs for any amount of time.
The ships that Iran has detained in the Strait of Hormuz are not American ships.
It's gotta. I hope it's a troll. I really do. There's no. I mean,
it's gotta be.
I'm gonna pretend like it's a troll because otherwise it's just.
It's 65Gs, 65K and 0 DTs. You gotta should have a big account or a big risk tolerance.
Yeah, or you just went on an epic tilt.
Bruh. Brady!
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
We're getting it. We want to get it.
Yes, that's the best one I've heard yet, by far.
Oh, I love that one.
That was the best one.
Nice sticky with the blicky, yeah.
Earlier, we hit 2 back-to-back trades, and we just hit him with this one too, Will.
Double kill.
Oh, dude, love that one.
Yes. Oh man, where'd you get that? How long did you making this soundboard?
Dude, last night I was just on the internet, just surfing. I just found all these little clips to download and upload to this little roadcaster.
Come on.
And then I found out this morning I can add like 3 more pages of these things. So I got tons of more slots.
That has to be a troll because Shredded Trades only trades with a $250,000 account. It looks like.
How do you know his account size?
Because he posted a picture of it on his X.
Oh, well,
look, and here's a PSA to everyone in here. If you need insider information, one, you don't even know if Baron trades, so let's just throw that out there. But if you need an insider trade to be successful, you need to quit trading, buy SPY, and go find a different job.
Yes, very much.
If trading is not for you, if you think that you need an insider or you need some kind of luck, you're not. I mean, luck is involved in some cases, but if that's your baseline, trading's not going to be for you. And honestly, I hate to say this, there's 400 people watching the stream right now. The majority of you probably aren't going to make it. It's not impossible, but it is extremely hard. So if you have problems with discipline, if you have problems with your system going on tilt, if you don't have a good understanding, you need to slow down, you need to learn and work hard. It's not going to come easy. Also, go use code WOLF, Shredded Trades at your favorite prop firm. Go ahead and blow someone else's money instead of yours.
Is it King Faces? Wait, hold on.
Smart said 399. I always knew that IWM was weak today. Oh God.
Dude, can you just pull up a 5-minute of the KRE, please? For KRE's at one of the heaviest weights in the regional.
Here's IWM. First off, just basic. Okay.
Not enough. What did we draw? Uptrend. Look at this. Faded all afternoon.
I mean, by this point right here, you knew you didn't have. You knew you broke structure.
Yeah, no calls to be there. Not even an uptrend.
Here, let me put it over here. Let me put it over here with some EMAs on it.
All right, I'm about to take full exit right here at 30.
Yep.
Don't be a little girl.
Schoolboy beach.
Come on, let's go. Can we pump this like another 10 points into my butterfly? It'd be perfect.
Butterfly sugar, baby.
Let me see.
Yeah, you get a 50K account on Vanquish using code WOLF.
Oh shit, I remember that. It might be the same guy.
He's just shredding his account.
I'm not sure. Can I say that on live stream?
Say what? Okay.
Well, hold on. You gotta reword it a little bit.
Oh, Casey, I gotta send you something. You're gonna love this.
There was a Shredded Trades in my Discord who told some guy in here to go unalive himself.
Oh
God.
Is that who you were talking about, Shredded Trades? You said that he made a comment earlier that we don't answer subs. I don't know, maybe he was talking about you.
Maybe, I don't know. He said that the King Faces in the Discord a while ago. We just pulled it up. Don't know if that's his Discord, but same name. Could be.
All right, we out.
There you go. What a long.
Hey, Casey, go check your DMs and Discord.
Got you.
My buddy stopped by the other day. You might want to turn the volume down so you don't blow your eardrums out.
Oh, fuck. Is that a STO?
It's a Ultimate.
Oh.
All right, be right back.
Holy shit.
So loud, dude.
Bruh. That interior goes crazy.
Isn't that wild?
Oh, that's awesome.
Where'd you send it?
What's that?
Is it in the Discord?
I DM'd him.
Oh.
I'll send it to you.
So you can post it in the car channel.
Brady, you're holding this for new highs, right?
Let's go. Go buy. I think he said he was out. That was a great move, though. Right off the zone.
I said IWM looks like it could go back to VWAP.
Oh, there we go. We got him. Let me see. Is that him?
But I didn't take an IWM trade because there was no confirmation.
Nope.
There was no trend structure break. There was no reversal. Also, if you're watching a YouTube stream putting in 65K into zero DTs, what are you doing?
I really want to know if he had 65K. Like,
no, I don't.
Probably not.
That's.
But if he did, I think what he needed was a little bit of attention, and so you've got it here. There you go.
That's what someone else in Discord said. Just YouTube clout. Come on, fucking break the freaking fire the squeeze.
Tell me SPX isn't going to fire the squeeze,
dude. I've been waiting for 4 hours.
Come on, float it up there. I don't think we go there. I think we get stuck though. At 27.30. I don't think we're going up there.
Just fucking do
My short strikes on the butterfly are at 45. So if we could pin that, that would be phenomenal. Please and thank you.
We need to break 71.27. That'll get us above the trend line. And then once we get a break in base or a rip straight through 71.30, just freaking start bringing in some Momo by that point. Come on. Come on.
Oh, send it. Send it.
Fuck. Look at this wedge. We are getting so tight here on SPY.
We are getting tight.
We're coming up to the top of it.
We're right at that same spot.
Freaking trend line. Trend line's a point above.
Tell me we're not going to blast through. Tell me we're not going to do it.
We're probably not going to do it.
Watch they just wreck it back down. Did you see that? I saw that headline earlier. They said that it's going to take 6 months to clear the strait for all the mines and stuff.
Sure, yeah.
People are yelling oil.
Sources say this. Sources say that.
Someone said oil?
They're all saying oil in the chat.
Oil just dropped. It did have a little wick down there. What was that?
Well, because the U.S. forces have directed 29 vessels to turn around or return to port. Oil's not doing anything.
Nothing really, yeah.
Who's it?
What about people who say you're only interested in the Middle East for oil?
What?
Oil?
Huh? Oil? Who said something about oil, bitch? You cooking?
Oh my god, that's so good. I don't think it'll ever get old.
Look at this 15-minute candle. Tell me we're not going. Tell me we're not going to run here.
Oh, just
hit him with the pumper.
Go.
You got a trend line right here. Here's your trend line right at like 61 on EX.
Yep. All right. There's trend line on SPX.
You're breaking on NQ. You'd probably run it straight up to another 8-9 points, 48, 50. Should. What'd you buy? 990s? Did somebody buy 990s? I didn't. I wasn't paying attention.
Oh, here it goes. Levitt is speaking right now, apparently.
Oh my gosh. Dude, the fact that I'm still in this freaking trade.
What are you in? Are you long?
I've been in SPX calls for 4 hours.
Oh gosh. Call. I hope you
Not-
didn't call threat.
Not 0 days.
Okay. I was gonna say
Fridays.
Should have just sold some put spreads. Called it a day.
I know. Well, okay, so I was talking to Knots about Tasty Trade.
Oh,
and
send it.
he said don't use Tasty Trade because I'm going to get fucked on commissions.
Levitt's making a lot of comments. She's not on like the regular White House channel.
What do
Here we
you
go.
mean?
Here we go.
Oh.
New high.
I got to look at it. New high day. Come on. Continue right through here. Just,
Blast off.
fucking go.
I don't know how you could get what are the commissions versus they're $2 $2 a contract? Like
I don't know. Knots does NDX.
Well, what on exchange fees or
He was just saying overall commissions for his credit spreads. He said that he was getting fucked on it, so he stopped using Tasty Trade.
I don't know what they would be. Let me look.
What's like whenever you do SPX? I think we went over this before. I don't think it was too far off what I'm paying now.
No,
on
we
Webull,
did.
though.
We talked about that. I don't know a couple weeks ago. I think.
Yeah.
Versus Webull.
Who the hell is Levitt talking to? What
Jesus.
Let me look it up. Index options. In broad-based index options are $1 a contract. Opening commission $0.
Okay. So that's about the same because for me to open and close for one contract's around $2. So $1 to open up per contract. So
Yeah, and there's no closing commission on index options. The only other thing you're going to pay besides the commission is just exchange fees. That's it. But the exchange fees are going to be relatively the same, probably.
But there's none for closing them.
No, zero to close.
Oh, well then I would actually save money then.
Yeah. So if you do a 2 lot to open, you're going to pay $2, nothing to close, and then you're just going to pay the exchange fee. And I think they changed it. It was a little different maybe a couple of years ago, and then futures, micros are only 75 cents a contract, and I think regular futures are $1 a side. So I don't know.
Levitt's still making a ton of comments here. She's not talking to. She's talking to like one news outlet. I don't even know who she's talking to. And then everyone else is waiting on her to come outside. It's kind of weird.
Please float this up, please.
Ooh.
Did you guys take Ivy high? Not yet.
No.
Still 30. No, still 40 minutes left, basically.
Dude,
she's on Fox. She's on Fox News. That's right. Damn it.
Freaking ridiculous.
Have you done any trades in there yet? Tesla's pumping, dude. Tesla's pumping right now.
Everything's pumping.
Yeah, I guess everything. Apple.
What did Levitt just say? Trump has room to maneuver due to the ceasefire extension.
Softy. I like Microsoft.
What are we doing?
Aggressively long in there.
Oh my god.
I want to get Microsoft to 440. That's my target, 441. Maybe into the trend line, which would be like maybe a little higher, but 441 is my target. I'm long from 365.
Are they green? What are they at? Oh, they're at 240 again.
Come on, just do it. Oh, Levitt's done. By the time I got it pulled up, she's done. AMD new high of day up 6.5. Good lord.
Yeah, that one's just been cranking.
That one, and I mean, dude, ARM. tried to tell Brady we were going back to Hive Day.
Bro, so I
Just didn't want to listen to him.
and exactly. No, I slapped 10 contracts back at like 33, sold 5 of them at 51, and I got to stop at 56. Hopefully that we can float higher. So, I had to jump back in, boys.
All right, well, at least you got something on it.
Yeah.
Ooh. Car 476. Right on the 9, dude. Right to the daily 9.
Daily 9?
That's crazy.
What am I sipping on? Nothing.
Sipping on some scissor.
Sipping on some scissor.
What time is it? Oh my God. Can we do it?
It's time to go up and fill me at 75.
Love this show.
I'm trill, working the wheel. I pimp, not a simp. Keep them dope fiends higher than the Goodyear blimp.
7:30 break in fucking moon.
I'm telling you, it's going to 80 and it's going to 100 if it gets through 80.
Come on.
This is my smoking song. It ain't very long.
Come on.
Holy shit.
Hit my short strike. It'll be crazy if it does.
Dude, we're going past 100.
Nah.
I just got the alert on SPX saying fucking trim manage my trade, but
it hasn't taken out the high.
I'm not.
Mama ain't raised no trimming, bitch.
Actually, I don't know. I kind of do want to close one here. This shit's been brutal. This is stupid.
What happened?
You got if you want to have some fun, just go onto Reddit and just like look up car and look at the post, dude. It's unbelievable. Somebody said car was going to go to 10,000.
They were trying to redo the. It's all the GME people. They're just trying to relive the glory days.
Dude, this morning I called out some flow. Someone bought a couple $1 million worth of car 1140 calls.
Hell yeah!
Dude, I wonder if they're still open. Hold on, let me see if I can go find on the flow. That was like within the first hour. Let me see. They bought them for May 15. They bought, let's see. It was 2 separate orders.
Yeah.
Their first order was at 10:52 this morning. They spent $2.4 million on them.
Oh my God.
And then another order came through 2 hours later. They bought another $600K. So it's about $3 million.
Nothing like doubling down when the stock's down 34%.
Dude, it's fucking crazy.
Will, you're just taking that money. Like, thank you very much.
I'm flat, but
where's Trump speaking?
Is he speaking?
Levitt is speaking on CNN now, or she was.
No, I think it was. Did Paper jump? Was Paper on yesterday with us in the morning? Did he jump on?
No? Yes. I think no, not yet. Was it yesterday?
Or 2 days ago?
Yeah, it was Monday.
Monday, yeah. And me and him were talking about this. I said it's gonna be like silver. I'm telling you, it'll be like, I don't know. I was like, it'll probably be this week. I think I said it Monday. I'll have to go back and listen to the stream. But I was like, it'll probably be this week. This thing will blow up because it just gets stretched like a rubber band, and when everybody runs, you got to run fast. Look at 460. It's gonna close probably below 400. It's very possible. Maybe it goes to 408, 409. Just knife the. It's gonna knife right through the 9. Look at the 21's down to 350. The 200 days 157. Epic wipeout. Come on, push us a little more.
Give me at least a freaking continuation move closer to previous day high. Q's, you piece of shit. What are you doing? And now IWM's curling up a little bit.
Man, they juiced the premiums in service now. Holy smokes. juiced them up.
Look, it's like 97% chance that we take out the higher low of the IB. We're 4 points away.
Oh my god!
There's still 30 minutes left.
They closed underneath of it. This is bullshit.
Wow.
I don't know. I'm just sitting here. I'm happy.
I'm freaking really happy. That's all she wrote for me.
Fuck! Now I'm down 14.5%. I want a refund.
Boo.
I want to speak to the manager of this stream.
I want to talk to Samson.
Oh man.
Tesla put lottos for earnings.
Is Tesla report today?
Yeah, after the close.
Oh yeah.
All right, I'm bouncing out 30 minutes early before the close.
See you, Brady.
Later, Gator.
Touching grass. We're up a good 3,800 in the take profit account, and
there we go.
Another 2,700 in Tradeify.
There you go. That's a good day.
15K on the week so far in Take Profit Pro. I'm gonna take out 8K tonight. And week.
Let's go. Great work, man.
Later, Gators.
Double kill.
Later, Gators. Yeah. See you well, crocodile.
Yeah.
You're gonna miss New High today? Maybe. Come on.
Microsoft getting a little juice here into the close.
No, I will not be taking Tesla put lottos for earnings. I'm not gambling on Tesla earnings. I'm gambling on SPX right now.
You want to do a Batman trade?
I wouldn't mind that, honestly. I think
on Tesla, like you pick the ends. Hopefully, you don't get blown out.
Yeah, if you can go a little bit far out on Tesla right now, if the premium's there, honestly, I don't think it's gamble on calls and puts. I think you can sell some shit.
What do we do? What's this one standard? Maybe do like the 360. All right, let me look at the chart real quick. Let's do a little. All right, so what do we got below us that would probably hold you? 365, maybe 360.
On Tessie,
if you were to fall, let's say they miss, where do you go to?
I have 3 spots, really big spot below 367.6, 364.5, and 362.5. So give or take 365.
Okay, so here's what you do. Here's the trade I'm thinking. You do a 1 by. I'm not gonna do a 1 by 2. I'm gonna go 3. Buy the 367s, sell the 362s times 2, and then buy. So that's $5 wide, and then I'll go buy the 352. So $5 to $10 wide on the one side. Let's see what that costs. I think I can do it for credit, but if it were to fall there, it might be like a lotto winner. It's an $80 credit.
Look at this bullshit. Look at this bullshit.
What's my
max? You know what they should do right now? Car should just pivot to AI right here.
just drop a headline.
Drop an AI headline, and they just
drop an AI headline for car.
They just wreck everyone that's inputs. Oh, that would be so epic.
All right, I'm gonna try this. We'll see how it works out. All right, Phil, 17-cent credit. Just kind of some lottos in case we just get way out there. But what about the upside? Where do you go to? Like 4. What did I do? 430, 435, 450 maybe? That'd probably give you some space. I call it a free trade, really.
Holding the 9, still pushing.
Q's is freaking SPY. Get your head out of your ass, dude.
SPY just back tested the 9 and that exact spot that it was.
It back tested the trend line break right there.
Yeah, and it's at that 710 and change resistance.
Ooh, that's got more juice in it. All right, I'm gonna do it. Just small, just for fun.
Oh, don't close back underneath of it. You suck.
All right, I sold the whole spread Batman trade for 50 cents is a credit, but if it somehow gets in that $5 window on each side, it would go to obviously $5. So 50 cents if nothing happens. I risk $10, but basically like the 13 delta is what I did. 12 delta, something like that. Was the short strike.
Levitt said Iran's public nonsense is not what we hear privately. I don't know. I'm ready for Tesla. 25 minutes. Look, if you really want to, if you're betting upside on Tesla, TSLG, 2x leverage from leverage shares. Shout out to channel partners. Do your own due diligence, of course, but you can buy and sell this in after hours, pre-market. You don't have to deal with the options. You're not going to get crushed on the premium. It's just going to be straightforward move up or down. Obviously, know that there is risk involved.
Do we got the stock picks weekly tracker yet going? Is that live?
I don't know if they've updated. I can look at what picks were made, but I don't think he's put in the formulas. What I don't even remember what I picked. ASTS long. That one's doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Not amazing, but pretty good. And I shorted Lockheed Martin. That one did do well. They report in the morning though, so that makes me nervous.
Oh, whoa! That thing's gotten wrecked. What about racing?
That's what I'm telling you. Look, the run up, the whole conflict, like it was running up anyway on defense spending, but then like into the conflict, people were trying to keep it up here, and then look at Raytheon today. They reported this morning. That was part of the other thing. I was like, they ran these names up too much into the earnings. It doesn't make sense.
What's that defense ETF? ITA or IT? Yeah, ITA I think is. That's the other one that's got all those in there. Aerospace.
ITA. UFO is the one that I really like because it's space and defense, like new defense.
Dude, that thing's been cranking.
You guys ready for new high day?
Fuck.
Yes, I am. Please pin it if about 15 points higher.
Dude, what if it just rips about? Hold on.
20 points on SPX.
Go to previous day's high, 10 points higher. If it wants to go take out the high of the week, it'd be 20 points.
Yes.
I don't know that you get 20 points, but there is enough consolidation here to get a pretty good squeeze. At least 10 points.
Yeah. Give me over 40, 71.40.
If you're looking for an end of day lotto. Also, IWM might make that move to VWAP.
maybe the 65 calls
double down, shredded, double down, shredded.
Shredded, if you would have bought like 2 weeks out, you'd probably be working your way to green here.
Yeah, they'd be back. Dude, AMD is just wow. That's wild.
Yep. That one's not wild. Look at Marvell.
Yeah, I know. I looked at that earlier. That's wild.
Marvell, ARM.
You know what though? I think it was maybe me and you talked about that. Like even during the down draw, that was a standout. Like in the first quarter, that one didn't really have the down draw that the other ones did. You know what I mean? I mean a little bit, but not. Like the chart just looked so much better than everything. Even in through March, it was like stable and going sideways. It wasn't drilling.
Yeah, I liked ARM.
That and Marvell, those two, ARM and Marvell looked decent.
Yeah, and even MU.
Because like they bottomed like in February, where the market bottomed in end of March. You know.
Yeah, and then Cisco is the other one that we talked about.
Yeah, Cisco. Yep, that's correct.
And then of course Dell. Those have been the names that have been working.
Dell has been
just keeps going. And you know what is still a piece of shit? SMCI.
Yeah. And MSTR. Even after the bounce.
I think AMD may need a new nickname now.
IWM calls for Friday.
No,
honestly, like, I think, okay, if I'm looking at this chart right now and I'm just using RSIs, how do you look at IWM and say, I want to go jump into a bunch of calls when your RSI is at 70 on the daily and you got a 4-day consolidation? I'd wait for the break. You want to get into it when it's running, not when it's, in this consolidation. Or you got to go further. You got to go further out because right now you got a 4-day balance.
Well, well, if you go any further out, next Wednesday's FOMC.
Right.
Do you want that baked in IV? Probably not.
Yeah.
Telon, was it you that was buying COIG 2x leverage Coinbase? I saw Coinbase was up 5% today.
Like, is Robinhood like a reshort at 95 for like a to go back into the 80s if you got up there?
I think it's going to consolidate here, and then it's going to make the move. I think it's going to make the move. I think it's going to jump. I think it's going to jump through. It's going to hit 100 on the gap fill, and it's going to jump through to the 200-day. That's what I think is going to happen.
I was waiting for it to go underneath like 65 and just trickle its way down to like 60 cycle level and start buying it. And
the only thing with Robinhood is it's just too tied to Bitcoin.
I know.
Like, other than that, I really like it, but they get so much revenue and people assign so much value to the crypto.
Everyone's trying to say that it should be buying bull now down here.
I mean, you got that. You still got to clear that trend line, which is roughly about $100 anyways. That big downtrend line they still got going on. You cleared one, but now you got the big primary one.
Trump, where the fuck is your Truth Social? I said that earlier. Condom prices are going up.
Why is that?
That's what they put. It was a breaking news headline earlier, so that the world's biggest condom maker is raising its prices due to the Iran war.
Wow.
I'm not sure how it's correlated, but it was a breaking headline earlier.
It takes a lot of oil and petroleum to make latex.
I did buy a little bit more Netflix here on the 50-day yesterday.
Also, Casey, you shouldn't be buying condoms at this point in your life.
I don't think I've ever.
Never been an issue.
So you got so many kids.
Yeah. Technically, it's her fault.
Oh, don't tell her that.
She knows. She got a refund on her birth control because of it.
Well,
it's an inside joke, but we found out that she was pregnant with Everly for the first time. Made the joke. I was like, you got some bobo ass birth control. I was like, you need to call them and tell them you want a refund for the last like fucking year. So as a joke, she did. And they said, we're sorry it didn't work, but congratulations. And they sent her a check. Oh my goodness.
It's a hard knock life for shorts.
Dude, I'm going to have to wait until MOC. Watch MOC be a nothing burger.
Oh no, Dawes has got 4. He's got us beat.
Dude, you just need to be castrated by this point.
I got 2 kids and I am I took the snip.
Oh, you did too? You and KC both?
Yeah.
I got lucky when it was C-section when they were in there. I said, "Go ahead and shut down the fabric
Shut down the factory.
Sorry, in Spanish it's fabrica. So I got stuck between two words there. Like, go
I
ahead
tried the same.
fabrica.
I tried that same thing here, but they said no because because due to the state of mind that the women is in during that time, they think that they can't make, I guess, clear decisions because it's more emotional. So you would have to schedule it completely separate afterwards, but they will not do it like during at that time.
I feel pretty emotional right now.
We did the we talked about it for months going into it. We knew what we were doing.
Who the fuck's at my front door at a time like this? Do you not understand MOC is about to come out? Oh, it's the grandparents. Hi.
What's up? What's up, mother-in-law? Wait, is it yours or hers?
Hers.
Yeah.
We're leaving here soon, so they're taking care of the kids tonight.
Where are you going, Bull?
We're going to we're going to try a new fancy Italian restaurant out on the water.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah. Here it comes. Break it, break it, break it.
Q's new high. Spy. Do you not see what QQQ is doing?
Somebody tell Tesla. Tesla's making a new lows.
God.
Almost new lows.
QQQ is now 50 cents from my magnet, and SPY can't even give me a new high of day yet. There's nothing more depressing than this. Other than like an onion cutting itself. That's pretty depressing. Three minutes.
3 minutes remaining in the third period.
3 minutes.
Ooh, car crash. God, what a short today. Did anybody else short it in chat? Hey, I want to know. Is anybody short car today? And did you win it's like winning the lottery if you were short at the top. Just piled on. Looks like Renko bars on the way down.
Oh my god. It better be some kind of, it better be a decent fucking candle.
There we go.
Pump it.
Go.
Come on. Please pump this.
My god.
Brandon said I made 65K shorting car.
Oh my god.
See, shredded. You're just in the wrong play.
Typed in the wrong ticker instead of IWM CAR.
There's equal high. Theta's kicking in now, though.
Attention NQ shoppers. There's 12 minutes remaining. Please gather your items and head towards the nearest cash register.
Oh. God. Do I put a limit order in right for MLC just in case?
Yes.
Do you think they're gonna hit him with the pump headline or something?
I don't fucking know.
Trump's like, I'm gonna get my diving suit on and go get those mines out of there myself.
All right. How much time? We got a minute left. I'm gonna put an order in.
I really did want to step into some car shorts yesterday and today. I wasn't at the desk this morning. Some stuff going on. I knew it. Right. I said it's gonna crack this week. I haven't looked at that ticker in a while. The Soldier Boy Tell 'em ticker.
Yes, Soldier Boy Tell 'em.
Rankin Energy Fuels.
I'm gonna put 65K in TSLG. Short. I'm just kidding.
TXN. Is there anything I want to do? You want to do? I don't know. I'm kind of afraid to do anything. Oh
into earnings at all-time highs.
Texas Instruments. That's an all-time high as well. Yeah.
Right before MOC SPY new high a day. Come on. Give me something good. Go. Oh, what the shit?
There's MOC. Nvidia is a buy side, huge buy side. Marvell's actually sell side. Amazon's a decent size buy.
Gosh, dang.
What's the overall here?
Fucking go.
Yeah, Nvidia's buy side here. This may keep pushing. You finally broke the IB high on ES.
Yeah, but I need continuation. I don't need it to break. I need continuation. Just
So
not
do you
that
have a
much
complete
time.
inside day? Maybe you get there.
Come on. If you're gonna give me an inside day, at least go hit previous day high so I can take a
$2 billion
trim.
buy side S&P.
Fuck yeah.
$600 million buy side Nasdaq.
Oh, come on. Float this higher, please. Come on. Oh, just get me into the 40s. Close it at 45. Push it.
They were calling Jordan Howard Stern earlier. Jordan Stern. It was pretty funny.
Go.
There he is.
Boy.
711.28. Go.
Oh my
rip it. God, here we go. Finally.
Go.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Come on, previous day's high.
It's not gonna fucking do it.
Not with that attitude, young man.
Trapaholics mixtape.
Trapaholics.
Does anybody know who the voice is? Without looking it up, who is it? You got 3 seconds.
Do you remember Scott Storch?
Shadow Hayes. That's the voice.
That was 1% up exactly on SPY up there too, by the way.
I ain't gonna close it up where I need it.
Ooh, who just tagged me? What'd you get?
I'm ready
Ooh, look
for
at those
Tesla.
profits. Ooh, $1,200. Oh, look, your P&L is, dude, you should have lost 10 more cents. Your P&L was $1,234.66. If it was 56 cents, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would have been dope. Let's fucking go. Great work, though. Nice job today.
Look, normally what happens on Tesla too is it dips really hard when the numbers come out and they buy it up. Oh, it's been a great day.
Dude, should I swing an SPX contract?
There's not much happening tomorrow, so.
Hey, last time I did it, it went to 10 grand. I say we should do it.
Well, let's not use that as the rationale.
But I thought that's how we're supposed to trade.
Come on, NQ, just do 20 more points.
Right? Come on, SPX. Oh, come on. Previous day, high.
Just for she's and geese.
Here we go. Come on.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Fucking do it.
Rip it. Rip it. Let her rip him, baby. Rip him. Oh, 89 on NQ.
There we go.
Do
Come
it,
on.
do it.
Previous day high. Break it. There it is.
A little bit more. Come on.
That's previous day high to the fucking penny.
Dude, is this going to be a lot?
10 seconds. Watch out. 10 seconds. Watch out. Put in a limit order.
Hell no. I got market order pulled up.
or put your finger on the button.
I got it pulled up right here. Market order. It just. My God.
Please pin this.
Dude, did they hit what? What? To the penny, 7-11-28. Look at that. See, Will's like, don't go higher. Keep it in the range.
I want to go right to. I got my short strikes 40 and 45. So if it goes to 45, that pins it. I don't think we'll get that.
That's where I want it to go.
Come on, step on. Where's Rizzo? Can we buy 100 lot?
Oh, he didn't have any internet today.
Oh my God, LA's in a blackout.
Hey, IWM's about to hit VWAP.
Be careful. Shredded trades might tell you to go unalive yourself too.
Dude, look at Microsoft up another 2%.
I wish he would.
Don't wish he would. Thank you, Jesus helped. Just gotta put Jesus on the chart.
Tesla's dropping too.
God, AMD. Wow. These semis are just something else.
Look at that SPY previous day's high to the penny.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. That's what we were looking for. IB high break, previous session high.
No, go up a little more. I mean,
dude,
now you're asking for too much.
I know.
You're so needy.
You know, SPY candles is still green. SPX still red. This bullshit.
It's all right. Even if it closes here, it still can't lose. Can't lose. I can only lose over 52.
Tesla earnings are expected at 407. 207 my time.
407. Did anybody on the chat buy a Model S or a Model X in this sellout phase? Who we got in the morning? Any American Express? That'd be a good look into the consumer, maybe.
Lockheed, NEE, Honeywell. Blackstone will tell you about the credit.
Nokia, big one there. Watch out.
Hey, Xfinity. Union Pacific. That was I was a big railroad guy back in Monopoly. I always invested in the railroads.
I did like the railroads. They were always good.
Dude, they were cash machines, bro.
They were cash machines. You're right.
Come on, baby. 10 more points.
You know, it's interesting look at XLI the last like 4 or 5 days. That's John Deere.
Yeah, they're selling what was strong. It's taking money from one hand, putting it in the other hand. The other hand is
We're gonna go back to the rotation trade a little bit, maybe. Now that we've moved crazy off the lows.
All right, let me get situated over here.
Oh, come on. Push it a little more. Go.
Got 1 minute. You think about after the close? Because technically I could still manage this till 4:15. There you go. Yeah, break over. Go.
The luxury. SPX. It's going to close on the number.
Piece of shit.
A little more.
Keep going.
Load it like 8 points. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh my God, can they just push it? No, I'm going to close it. They're going to close it below it. You weak sticks, jump on the freaking offer. Let's go. That's okay. Still a good trade. Can't lose, only win. Oh my God, they're so close.
Closed it right underneath previous day high.
There we go.
Look at that. They closed it 7
Holy
cents
shit,
underneath.
Em. You have a fucking bell of. Holy shit. That bell's not
He's got
up.
a mic in the New York
We gotta
Stock
trim
Exchange
that up.
at the desk.
That was a long ass bell. $0.07 under previous day low. Well, this was fun.
All right. Well, close it as a. Let's see. What did this close at? All right. 19% return. Not bad. We'll take it. I was hoping for that lotto, but you just never know. Tesla. Okay.
You know, for the amount of work done today, I feel like I should have made more money.
Been there before.
This is. I hate this market. Oh, Texas Instruments already out. Beat on revenue and hold on, just lost it. Double beat. TXN and stock is up fat right now at 247, a whopping 4.6% and climbing. Long TI 89s. Oh, 620 here. Let's go. You can
Tesla
still
reaction is upside right now.
15 minutes after the close. Oh, look at Q's after hours. Come on, SPY. Fucking follow suit.
I did not see any report on this, and it would be 5 minutes earlier than normal.
Tesla. Wiki.
Big earnings.
Tesla.
They do.
Tesla did beat.
Double beat.
Will, did you take the trade?
I did. Batman.
Nice.
I mean, I don't think it's going to be anywhere in the realm of where I need, but I mean, I get a small credit if it pumps.
Tesla's up 2.5 now.
Pumpage. 41 cents. EPS adjusted 22.39 billion versus 22.19. Gross margins. Wow. Big beat on margins. 21.1 versus 17. That's strong.
Come on, SPY. Come on.
That's going to help the Qs.
I know. I'm just waiting. Q's looks like it's halted. So does SPY.
You just hit full target.
Did you say Texas Instruments yet? Did you cover that one?
Yeah. That one. It was a double
Negative
B.
1.86.
They were ripping.
Yep, that's big too. Just reading through it.
There you go, Tessie. Ooh.
Well, pump it to 430. Come on.
430?
that was my that's where I got that Batman at. 430, 435. Whatever. I put it on for basically, the whole trade was paid me 50 cents as credit. Oh, we got rugged. 50-cent credit, but that's actually pretty strong overall on Tesla. I mean that's all things considered, no they had positive free cash flow on an estimate of $2 billion loss on cash flow. Operating income was up, margins up. Pretty significant. I think that's fairly strong. Probably, what are the residuals? What are like Rivian probably getting a pump with that too, I would imagine.
Probably a small sympathy move. Probably nothing crazy.
Lucid's in the toilet. That thing continues to go.
Nah, Rivian ain't really doing too much.
God, I wish I was that one.
Em's just got rugged, Jordy.
But he got rugged, huh?
Rose-colored glasses. Don't sleep.
He got fully rugged. What happened? It's like not even.
It's that Mexican Wi-Fi.
Crazy. Is he coming back? This boy go. I don't even have my charts up, so I can't even look at Tesla. I have everything closed down. I don't want to know. Don't want to know.
What about Service Now yet? Nothing?
I'm not sure.
Just look at that one.
I haven't seen Evan post the Service Now numbers.
I'm looking. IBM should be any minute here, maybe 2 minutes. Just seen Tesla and
TXN's still going.
Man, look at the NASDAQ just pumping another 5.
I know, like why is QQQ is looking great. Spike is just still sitting underneath previous day high.
Well, I think the biggest thing in there is today, obviously the banks were weaker, banks and industrials, and you got some of those names more in the S&P versus, the Qs, which is just tech heavy stuff. So tech was obviously good. Semis were good. Tesla's helping out. Mags looked good. So I think just the S&P lagging is financials, healthcare, and then consumer discretionary didn't have the best day either. So your other 4 heavy weighted sectors didn't really contribute. Just tech. This run in the past 2 weeks. I mean, anybody that just bought can you imagine buying the 650 calls out to May like 2 weeks ago in the Qs? What were they trading? What was it? The 1 delta, probably 2 deltas. Yeah, that's like
been crazy.
100 point move off the bottom. It's vertical. It's, you know, I go back and like where we were with all the uncertainty, like that's a really tough move to trade in any capacity. It's just, you know, to think, okay, I'm just gonna lotto calls, you know, all the way up here. I mean, can it happen? Sure, but it's the probability is low.
All right, guys, I gotta head out.
All right, Casey.
See you tomorrow.
Sounds good, Casey.
Love you guys. Have a great rest of your day.
Love you, brother. We'll see you tomorrow.
Later.
I don't know if Imp is joining back. All right, crew. I'm wrapping it up, Dan. We'll see everybody tomorrow. What's tomorrow's Thursday? Thursday. I don't see him coming back. So.
All right. Well, tomorrow's a new day. Tesla's
new
good.
Day.
We're wait for the other couple to come through. IBM's out. I'll just read that one real quick.
Yeah.
Also beat 1.91 versus 1.81. Revenue 15.92 versus 15.67. That's a beat. Software revenue came in line. Consulting came in line. Free cash flow slight beat as well. C's fiscal year constant FX 5% versus 5.1. So everything basically I would say in line with IBM, and maybe slight beat there. Stock is down though about $11, trading 240. So I'm not sure what they didn't like in there. Maybe the software revenue didn't beat by a big enough margin. I don't know. It still looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, we'll see what it looks like in the morning.
Yeah, we'll catch that in the morning. Guess the other one in the software space will be ServiceNow whenever that hits a wire. Oh, that's down. Maybe that is out. Trading down at 94. Let me see if that's out there. Earnings Hub probably has it, I'm sure. ServiceNow 3.77 versus 3.75 billion, and a beat on EPS at 0.97 versus 0.80. So beat on EPS and a slight beat on revenue, but not a big beat on revenue. Stock is now trading 91, so down about $11 or $12 now. So a little bit weaker. I wonder what Microsoft's doing. Not really a big mover in Microsoft. Just look at the other software names. Adobe took a little hit on that, down $3-4. What about? Yeah, IGV taking a little hit. Microsoft not really impact. That's the one. Yeah, a little bit. Couple $3 now for Microsoft to the downside. So maybe that gives you a read into some of the software names. I don't know what they didn't like about ServiceNow, but maybe the beat just wasn't big enough.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, we'll find out. All right, crew. Later, everybody. Have a good evening.
Peace out, crew. We'll see you in the morning.